What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I'm working on my C7 Audi A6, and today I'm going to be installing this ECS lip spoiler that I got, bumper lip spoiler, and these two upper bumper inserts that you see right there. Got these a while back, just haven't had a chance to put them in because I've been working out of town. So let's take a look. These they both come in like a gloss black, and they come with like this plastic film over. I already took it off of these, and these go right here, and they just stick on, and they come with this 3M tape on the back of it. Initially only had this on the upper part, but I went and got some more tape, and I put some on the end right there and some on the bottom also because it wasn't on there, just to make sure it stays secure. And then the lip, as you can see, it'll be gloss black too after I take this film off. Then it has this 3M, but also comes with the install kit. You can see those 4 holes on both sides, so you'll put screws through there, and right here they have a nutsert that goes into your bumper. So I have to practice fit this and, you know, get everything lined up, and then I have to mark this hole. I have to mark this hole under the bumper, and then drill a hole and put this through right here. And then I put that into the bumper, and I put this nutsert on and screw it in. And as it screws it in, it crushes it so that stays in there. And then I'll take that off and put that nut through here, the bolt through here, to fix it to the bumper, and that'll help it stay. I think the only other thing I'm gonna do different is I'm gonna put more 3M tape on here just to make sure it stays affixed to the car. So I'm gonna get set up, and then we'll come back and see how everything goes, see how everything looks. All right, right now I'm just trying to take this off. I can't do it, but it comes off pretty smooth. It's on there pretty strong. Bear with me. Yeah, it came off pretty smooth. You can see it's like a real deep gloss black, so it should look pretty nice on the car. Only thing I'm worried about is I lowered the car since the last video. You can see lowered it a lot, pretty, you know, nice amount, but not super low, you know what I mean? Still rides good. The only thing I'm worried about is you can see how deep this is, so I'm worried about it scraping on the ground. But it should be okay. I'm gonna see how much clearance I have, and if I have to later, you can see they have this part comes down right here. I could just take something and take all that off, so it'll be that much higher. But it should be okay. Or I could cut a line right there, heat this up, and then bend that back, and it'll make it, you know, make the bumper looks like what, about ½ inch higher. So I should be good with that. All right, you guys. You can see I got it test fitted just so I had the hole lined up, and very on point. I just had to use whatever I had to do to get it to the point that I needed it. So right now I'm just gonna drill the hole. The hole is gonna go through that, and then I don't know if you can see it, but that's the hole right there. Let me turn the light on. There you go. You might be able to see now. So I'm just gonna drill straight up. There's like, looks like it was 2 layers I had to go through. But that's it for that. The hole going through the bumper, going through that is smaller, and for this you're gonna have to go with the bigger drill to get that through. So from what I measured, it's between 5/8 and 3/8. So I'm gonna start with 5/8 first and see if it fits. And then if it doesn't, I'll open it up a little bit more with the 3/8, and then I'll be able to get this in there. All right, you guys, I got the hole drilled. It ended up being a 3/8 size. So this is just gonna go in there like that. Then while it's in there, I'm gonna have to take and hold the nutcert with this wrench, and then I'll take my ratchet on the bottom of that and turn it. And while that turns, it the bolt is tightening and pulling that down, so those tabs will stick out in the bumper and hold the nuts, well, hold the insert in. That way I'll take this out, and then I'll be able to just put the bolt through the lip spoiler and fasten it like that. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get a spot here so you guys can watch me do it. So I still don't got my phone. Hold on. All right, got you guys set up. This just goes on like that. And I take this. Tight right there. Try to get it a little tighter. All right, that's pretty crushed. Then you go back and just reverse. Take this back out. Then the nutcert will stay in there. See right there, the whole thing is. That's it. See, it stays in there now. So now I have something to attach to. You guys, excuse me for the noise. There's a festival going on across the street that I didn't know about. But that's it right there. So basically, I put the spoiler on, and you'll see when I put the screw in. But this will go in under the spoiler to make it attached to the middle. All right, you guys, finally got my extra tape put on. I went ham on it because this is only, like I said, this part is only connected by 4 screws. So I just want to make sure it stays on there, and in case I hit any bumps or anything like that. And this is the screw that came with it. Didn't come with the washer though, so I just found an old washer that I had. But this is going to go through the bottom there. And connect to that insert in the bumper, and that's what's going to connect the middle. I'm gonna start taking all this tape off and then get everything lined up, and then I'll put it on. We'll see how it looks. All right, this is the bottom of the spoiler. I just want to show some, in case somebody's trying to do this, to show how this attaches. I know seeing it a lot of times is better than explaining it. that's it right there. Just go straight in. And you tighten it up. And I still haven't attached because I want to make sure everything was lined up. Because I have all that tape on there, so once it sticks, it's gonna stick. So I'm gonna get that lined up and then we'll come back and see how it looks. All right, you guys, we're gonna put these screws in, and they come with these, I think they're T25 screws, which is good because they're not Phillips, so that means nobody's gonna be able to get under here and take it out easy. And what I did was I drilled a small hole to make sure these go all the way through. Hope you guys can see that. Just 4 of these on each side, so that's it. It looks pretty good. Makes it look more sporty and aggressive. I haven't lowered it on the ground yet. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be real low. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these on. So I gotta peel these off, and I'm gonna get some alcohol and clean that surface first, and then we'll come back and see how those look, and then lower the car and see how everything looks. I got one side on, looks good. It's just when I'm trying to put it on, it's like it would get stuck, either the tape on the top, on the bottom, so it took me a little bit to get everything lined up. But I did one side, and then you can see how that looks, and then you can see how the side without it looks. So it definitely looks better with it on there. It makes the whole thing look more aggressive. But I'm gonna get the other side on and let the car down, and we'll see how everything. Right, you guys, everything is on the car. I like it, it looks good. You can see from the top here how much it sticks out on the front. And these inserts right here do make it look a lot more aggressive. Take a look from the side. I like it, it looks good. Take a look, try to get a whole side shot. But you can see it needs a wide side skirt now, so I'm gonna look for that. I saw one online that's the same carbon fiber that I'm having the mirrors and the rear spoiler made in, so I might get those. But I'm also looking into see if any of the C7.5 body parts fit that, because I was at the store the other day and another blue A6 part right next to me, and it was a C.5 and the same color and everything. So I was looking at the little differences that they did. I know the rear bumper, I think it flares out a little bit more, but I was looking at the side skirts. The side skirts are a little bit more aggressive, and then there's a part where it comes out slightly and it goes back in. It's real nice. So if those fit, I'll probably run those. I like it a lot. And then I'm gonna see what other parts from that car would fit with a direct bolt up, and maybe even their tail lights, but I don't know if their tail lights would plug up to this car, or if there's any slight differences where they wouldn't work or anything. But I like how it's coming along so far. I still didn't get the downpipes put in because I was going my way to the shop the other day, and when I went there, they told me to come back. But when I checked all my parts, I realized that I didn't have the gaskets. So I'm gonna have to order the gaskets, but then I had the thought that while I'm at it, I was gonna go ahead and maybe have the downpipes installed also. You can see these are the downpipes right here. It's the DCAT, and then these, and then that'll take a lot of weight off of the car too. But I heard that it makes the car sound raspy. So what some people are doing is they're leaving the middle resonator, and I could probably have the middle resonators cut off and welded onto those pipes. These pipes are a little bit bigger, so I could probably do that. And some people will delete the middle muffler and leave the rear mufflers. Or I saw one guy use the rear mufflers from the B8.5 S4. His sounded real good. There's a clip of it somewhere on YouTube. But anyway, you guys, I'm thinking about having my windows tinted. I'm still on the fence about it. But leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know what you guys think of what I've done and what else I should do to give the car more of a balance and more sporty look. And also, I have some spacers coming. I measured, and it was 14 millimeter to the fender, so I had to go back 2 millimeters. So I found some that are 12 and a half. So I'm going to order those and put those on the car next week, and I'll do a video on that too, and we'll see how everything looks. But anyway, thanks for watching. You guys leave a like again, comment, and subscribe, and then share the video too. I'm trying to get more subscribers so we can get more content on YouTube for our cars. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next